Ridge vents versus solar fans. Which one actually keeps your attic cool and saves you money on energy bills? Okay, so when you're trying to figure out how to stop your attic from turning into a sauna, picking the right ventilation is key. Ridge vents run along the peak of your roof and let hot air escape naturally, which is super chill because it doesn't need electricity and works all day long. Solar fans, on the other hand, use the sun's power to actively pull hot air out, which sounds fancy but can sometimes backfire if the sun isn't shining or the installation is off. If you want to keep things low maintenance, ridge vents are usually the way to go. Just make sure your attic has enough intake vents for fresh air to come in. For solar fans, double check that they have a good solar panel angle and aren't shading themselves, because that kills their mojo. Also, don't forget to clean and inspect either system regularly, or else dust and debris will slow everything down. It's smart to balance ventilation with insulation too, so your attic doesn't just blow hot air out while cold air sneaks in. At the end of the day, think about where you live and your roof setup. Some places get more sun, which means solar fans might pay off better. One of the biggest mess-ups with ridge vents is not having enough intake vents, so air doesn't flow right and your attic stays hot. Fix this by adding soffit vents or other intakes. Another common problem with solar fans is poor placement. If the solar panel faces the wrong way or gets shaded by trees or chimneys, it won't work well. Make sure it's installed in a sunny spot. Last but not least, some folks ignore maintenance on both systems, letting dirt build up or bugs block vents. Just set a reminder to check and clean twice a year to keep things running smooth. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about attic ventilation and other home upgrades. Plus, contractors get a solid platform to find real work and grow their business without all the usual hassle.